Honor claims its new Magic V5 is the world's thinnest foldable smartphone. But is that really the case? At first glance, the numbers seem to support that bold statement. Honor advertises the Magic V5 at 8.8 mm when folded and 4.1 mm when unfolded. In comparison, Samsung's freshly unveiled Galaxy Z Fold 7 comes in at 8.9 mm folded and 4.2 mm unfolded. On paper, it looks like Honor wins barely by a razor-thin 0.1 mm margin. But as we dig deeper, the truth appears far from what the marketing would have you believe. What's going on here is a clever bit of marketing sleight of hand. A visual posted by Honor itself shows a comparison between the two devices, highlighting their thickness figures. However, there's a subtle trick in the presentation. Honor measured the Magic V5 from its thinnest point, the opening side, while using the hinge side of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for comparison, which is typically the thicker end. It's a biased and misleading approach meant to create the illusion of superiority, when in reality it's not that simple. Enter Universe Ice, a credible and well-known voice in the mobile tech world, who stepped in to bring some much-needed clarity. In a series of detailed photos and hands-on comparisons shared on his X account at Universe Ice, he tested both devices side by side using a physical object, a card, to visually gauge and compare their thicknesses. No tricks, no marketing angles, just raw, real-world comparison. In one video, both phones are placed flat on a surface with a playing card aligned across their frames. The result? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 clearly appears slimmer than the Honor Magic V5. In fact, Universe Ice even swapped the phone's positions to rule out any inconsistencies due to an uneven desk surface. The difference remained the same. Based on these observations, Universe Ice estimates the actual folded thickness of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 to be around 8.79 mm, while the Magic V5 measures closer to 8.95 mm. That's not just a 0.1 mm difference, it's the opposite of what Honor is advertising. So, while Honor's marketing pushes the narrative of being the world's thinnest foldable, the unbiased reality shows that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 holds that title. It's not just slimmer in practice, it also backs that up with superior design balance, real-world utility, and better software optimization through Samsung's One UI. But the Galaxy Z Fold 7's strengths don't end with thinness. It also holds its own in camera performance and battery efficiency. On paper, the battery might look smaller, but real-world usage shows that Samsung's optimization makes a significant difference. It delivers solid battery life without compromise. Right now, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is available for pre-order on Samsung.com, with bonuses worth up to $1,100 in the US. And while Honor's Magic V5 might look good in promotional images, the real story, thanks to Universe Ice, reveals that Samsung's foldable is the true engineering win here. So the next time you see a world's thinnest claim, remember, numbers can be twisted, angles can be manipulated, but the truth always folds out in the end.